Hello friends, in this video I will be deriving the formula of Millman's theorem. By source transformation, the given circuit can be converted into various current sources in parallel with resistors. So this is first V1 upon R1 in parallel with resistor R1. This is the second current source V2 upon R2 in parallel with the resistor R2. Then there is V3 upon R3 in parallel with resistor R3. Then the final current source V4 upon R4 in parallel with the resistor R4, and finally the load resistance RL. Now all the current sources can be added up. That is, IP is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4, which is equal to V1 upon R1 plus V2 upon R2 plus V3 upon R3 plus V4 upon R4. Now Rp is the parallel equivalent of all the resistors. That is, Rp is equal to 1 divided by 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. So the given circuit is modified into a current source IP in parallel with the resistance Rp in parallel with the load resistance RL. Now once again, by source transformation, the given circuit can be modified into a voltage source in series with a resistance. So we get a voltage source in series with a resistance and connected to the load resistance RL. The voltage source is Vp and this resistance is Rp. Now Vp will be Ip into Rp, that is equal to V1 upon R1 plus V2 upon R2 plus V3 upon R3 plus V4 upon R4 divided by 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. So this is the formula of Millman's theorem.